A day in my life as a public school teacher. Hi everyone, Teacher Jai here. My day starts very early. 4:30 AM pa lang umaalis na ako sa bahay dahil 2 hours ang biyahe papuntang school. Maaga pero kailangan para makarating on time and prepared. And 4 rides pala ako guys. Naka-bonnet at jacket talaga ako everyday kasi super lamig sa lugar na ito. Pagdating ko sa school, kakain muna ako ng breakfast at mag-aayos ng sarili. After that, I have to ready everything. My laptop, extension wire, teaching materials at iba pang kailangan for the day. Preparation talaga ang susi para maging maayos ang klase. At 9 AM, I had my class observation or CO. I focus on my students and the lesson, teaching naturally and with confidence. At 2 PM, we had our school-based dish gardening. And by 3:45 PM, uwian na ng mga students. Na-amaze talaga ako sa mga bata dito. Alang, bait at obedient. May time na ako to prepare test paper, organizing, and finalizing everything. It's been a long and tiring day, from early travel to teaching and school activities. Nakakapagod, yes, pero fulfilling kapag alam mong may matututunan ang mga bata. 4:19, nasa school kitchen kami. Nagkwentuhan ng mga co-teachers ko habang kumakain ng biko. Simple moments like this make the long day lighter. Thank you so much guys for spending this Thursday with me. And to all teachers out there, your dedication truly matters. See you on my next one. Bye!